Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. Though kuna chai, karibu sana. So this week video, I'm going to do some plate decor that I saw online. So you can decide either to go big with the balls or just a small one. After you have decided on which plate you want to destroy, we are going to need paint and some baking soda. Just mix them to form a paste that we are going to apply. So you can decide to also add colors if you want. I went in with a drop of orange and brown since I didn't have a specific color that I wanted, and I also sometimes like to experiment to see some color change. Your plates or balls together, and you can either use hot glue if you have one. If you don't have, don't worry, super glue also works perfectly fine, and also contact glue, but it takes longer. I find that hot glue is very fast and quick. So to apply this one, you can decide to do with a brush, or you can decide to do with like a that's tango nini, a piece of cloth. Then you tap it a bit faster than the brush. As we continue tapping, kindly remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like this video, share, comment, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. So for the second one, we're just going to repeat the same process, and you can also decide to paint a different color if you want. See, this is the result. I really love this one. I'm still undecided if I still want to use it as a planter or a deco, just a deco. And for this one, I'm going to use entryway that I'm still working on. So hopefully that video will be up by the end of, I don't know when, but we are still working on it. The texture is very fine. Came out just the way I wanted. So if you're going to try this DIY, let me know. I would love to know, and hit me up on my Instagram, on my social media handle, and see you in the next video. Bye.